I used to believe that to make delicious eggs, you absolutely had to use a pan until I discovered this method. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 super simple ways to cook eggs right in the microwave. No oil, no fuss, and best of all, the eggs always turn out perfectly cooked. Remember to check out the last tip. That's how I use it almost every day. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, for those who love egg sandwiches, now we move on to one of my favorite quick and easy breakfast options, microwave egg sandwiches. Start with a slice of sandwich bread. Place it on a microwave-safe plate. Use the back of a spoon or your finger to gently press down on the center of the pancake to create a small indentation. This indentation will help the egg stay in place when cooked. Crack an egg into that hollow. If desired, you can sprinkle in some pepper or chopped herbs like parsley or cilantro to enhance the flavor. And don't forget to poke a small hole in the yolk as you did before. Microwave the cake on medium-high power for 40 to 60 seconds. Tip: for a runny, slightly runny yolk, stop at 40 seconds. For a more thoroughly cooked egg, microwave for an additional 10 to 15 seconds. When finished, carefully remove the plate as it will be slightly warm. The bread is slightly crispy on the outside, the egg inside is soft and creamy, and the cheese is perfectly melted. In less than a minute, you have a golden slice of bread, rich in protein, energy, and flavor. A great way to start your day. Let's start with the first and easiest method. Let's make one of the simplest and most visually appealing types of eggs, a sunny side-up egg cooked right in the microwave. You don't need a pan, just a heat-resistant plate and some butter or non-stick cooking spray. Lightly grease the plate with butter or oil. This step prevents the eggs from sticking and makes them easier to remove when cooked. Next, crack a fresh egg into the center of the plate. Try to keep the egg balanced so that the yolk is nicely centered. Next, gently prick the yolk once or twice with a fork. This small step is important. It helps the steam escape and prevents the yolk from exploding during cooking. Now put the plate in the microwave. Turn on high for about 1 minute, and if possible, observe through the oven door. Every microwave is slightly different, so at the 45-second mark, quickly check the texture of the egg. If you prefer a soft, runny yolk, 1 minute is usually perfect. If you want a more cooked egg, microwave for another 10 to 15 seconds. When the eggs are cooked, be careful. The plate will be very hot. Use kitchen gloves or a towel to remove them safely. You'll have a beautiful fried egg with a golden, soft yolk and smooth egg white. It's delicious on its own, or served with bread spread with butter, avocado, or some stir-fried vegetables. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Quick, warm, and a pleasant way to start the day. Simple, relaxing, and distinctly home-cooked. Now let's try something colorful and flavorful, a fluffy omelet made right in the microwave. Start by cracking 2 fresh eggs into a heat-resistant bowl. Next, add your favorite chopped vegetables. Use whatever you have on hand in the kitchen. Actually, the idea of making eggs in the microwave came to me completely by chance. One morning, I was in a hurry. Coffee was ready, but I didn't have time to get the pan out. Curious, I cracked an egg into a small bowl, put it in the microwave, and just hoped for the best. When I took it out, I couldn't believe how soft and fluffy the egg was. No oil, no mess, and it tasted just as good as eggs cooked on the stovetop. From that day on, I started experimenting with different methods, all in the microwave. Add a pinch of salt and MSG, and a little pepper to taste. Add some chopped green onions to enhance the aroma and color. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. This helps make the omelet lighter and softer. Beat everything together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat for 30 seconds. Remove from the microwave, stir quickly, then microwave for another 30 seconds. This step-by-step method ensures the eggs cook evenly and gently, preventing them from drying out or overcooking. When finished, be careful. The bowl will be very hot. You'll see the egg roll puff up beautifully, soft and steaming hot. And that's it. Your homemade microwave omelet is ready. Fluffy, flavorful, and packed with vegetables. A light, healthy, and warming breakfast or lunch. Simple ingredients, no pan needed, and ready in under 2 minutes. Exactly the kind of cooking I love. Now let's move on to a microwave trick I really like, making boiled eggs without a pot. This method is quick, clean, and anyone can do it. First, pour cold water into a heat-resistant bowl, enough water to completely submerge the egg. This method is quick, clean, and anyone can do it. First, pour cold water into a heat-resistant bowl, enough water to completely submerge the egg. Next, gently poke the yolk with a fork about 2 to 3 times. This step is extremely important. It helps release the steam that has accumulated inside the yolk, so the egg won't explode when microwaved. Add a pinch of salt to the water. Salt helps the egg whites curdle better and enhances the flavor subtly. Now put the bowl in the microwave. Adjust the heat to medium-high, around 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and choose the cooking time according to your desired level of doneness. If you prefer a soft, creamy yolk, 2 minutes is enough. If you want a slightly more cooked yolk, choose 3 minutes. And if you prefer a fully cooked egg, 4 minutes is just right. Just remember never to microwave for more than 5 minutes. Otherwise, the egg will become tough and lose its natural softness. When the time is up, be careful. The bowl will be very hot, so remove it safely. Pour out the remaining water. You'll have a perfectly round, soft-boiled egg with a smooth white and a creamy yolk, ready to enjoy. The final method, make fluffy creamy scrambled eggs right in the microwave. You'll need just 2 fresh eggs, a pinch of salt, and a little black pepper. Crack the eggs into a small microwave-safe bowl or cup. Add salt and pepper. And whisk until smooth and well combined. And here's the secret that makes all the difference. Don't cook it all at once. Microwave the bowl of eggs for about 30 seconds. Take it out, stir gently. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. And microwave for another 30 seconds. You'll see the texture of the eggs change beautifully. The scrambled eggs become soft, creamy, and not dry or tough at all. This is perfect for mornings when you want something warm but don't want to get your pans and dishes washed. In less than 2 minutes, you'll have a plate of creamy scrambled eggs, soft, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. Simple, delicious, and the perfect way to start your day. If today's recipe brightened your morning. Don't forget to like, that helps the channel grow a lot. Cooking doesn't have to be fancy to make life more enjoyable. Even something as simple as eggs can remind us that small things, when done with care, bring warmth to everyday life. So, take a few minutes for yourself, cook something warm, eat slowly, and enjoy those peaceful moments at the start of your day. Thank you for watching and for your time with me. Wishing you good health, self-love, and see you soon with another easy, heartwarming idea.